Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not new here, welcome back. So this is Sarah Marie Sticker's December mystery kit. If you ordered the kit and you haven't got it yet and you want to be surprised, don't watch this video, right? This is the December kit, and I know that she is opening up the mystery kit vault starting today. Actually, I'm not sure when she's going to take it down. I think she said Christmas Day she was going to take it down at some point, but don't quote me. But it does open up today. The mystery vault is all of the mystery kits, most of the mystery kits for this year. I know she said some of them won't be included, and the December mystery kit is not included. So check out her mystery kit vault on her Etsy shop. I'll link the shop in the description box below. I was going to get one of the ones that I missed this year, but then I went and looked. I don't think I'm gonna get it. I'm not crazy about it, so I don't think I'm gonna get it. All right, so here is December. Go ahead and take this out. All right, let's see. You always get 3 pages and then you get a freebie. So let's look at this freebie. I love the way the icons are formatted now. You get so many more, and it's super cute. So this is the freebie. Has all types of different icons on it. I love this color. Anything that is like a shade of purple, I really do like it. And she says, thank you for supporting my small business, right? So I do need to keep these icons handy because I want to start using more icons in my planner. Sometimes I will go back after I've done my plan with me and I'll add icons in later, but I kind of want to add them while I'm actually doing my plans. All right, so here is the freebie. All right, here's the first page. This is the sampler page. See if I can bring it out a little bit. All right, here's the sampler page. You got your washi, you got some boxes, you got some labels, you got some dots here, you got some scripts. And I know I said this before, but I love the new scripts. I love the thicker weekend banner. You got a decorative box there. So really liking the sample page. I do love the washi with the florals. It's cute. And then that's like maybe a wolf howling at the moon. Can you see that? Super cute. Right, so that's the sampler page. And then we have our next page that has more washi, has the date covers, some boxes, cancel, reschedule, your date dots, and then your checklist. I like it. I like the color combinations. And then last but not least, you have this page where you have some more labels, some decorative boxes, some more dots around there. And so I like it. I like this kit. I love that I have so many boxes and flags and different things like that. I'm gonna keep my little thing out of the way here. Because that's one thing that I like to have when I'm planning in my hourly. I like to have a lot of boxes and a lot of labels and different things like that, so that I can write everything I need to write down. So that is the mystery kit for December 2022. Again, the mystery kit vault opens up today. So check it out if you're interested. If you like some of the stickers that I've shown you in my videos of her mystery kits over the last year. I think maybe 2 I missed. But when I went and looked, because she posted them on her Instagram, I only saw 1 that I didn't have, but I'm also missing another month. So I think it might be 2. One of them, when she showed it, I knew I didn't want it. But then there was 1 that I thought I missed, and I said, ooh, I like that one. But I didn't see it on the Instagram page. So we'll see. I'm going to go over and check it out myself to see if there's anything that I want. If I get it, I'm only going to get 1. I'm not going to buy more than 1 because I got most of them for the year. Anyway, I'm starting to ramble. I will link her Etsy shop in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.